To perform a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy A51, you can follow the steps below. Please note that a hard reset will erase all data on your mobile device, so make sure to back up any important information beforehand. Method number 1, using the settings menu. Number 1, open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A51. Number 2, scroll down and select General Management. Number 3, tap on Reset or Reset options. Number 4, choose Factory Data Reset or Factory Data Reset and erase all data, depending on the options available. Number 5, review the information and confirm your selection by entering your device PIN, password, or pattern if prompted. Number 6, tap on Delete All or Reset to initiate the hard reset process. Number 7, wait for your device to reset and restart. Method 2, using hardware buttons. Power off your Samsung Galaxy A51 completely. Number 2, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Number 3, continue holding both buttons until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Number 4, release both buttons when the Android recovery menu appears. Number 5, use the volume down button to navigate through the options and highlight wipe data or factory reset. Number 6, press the power button to select the highlighted option. Number 7, scroll down to yes using the volume down button and press the power button to confirm. Number 8, wait for the reset process to complete. Number 9, once the process is finished, the reboot system now option should be highlighted. Press the power button to restart your device. After the hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy A51 will be restored to its factory settings and all data and settings will be erased. You can set up your device as new or restore a backup if you have one.